Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now by unlocking your iPhone and confirming it runs iOS 16 or later, because older versions handle wallpapers differently. Once done, pick 3 photos in the Photos app that will work as a screensaver. Choose one with clear subject and contrast so widgets remain readable. Next, open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper. Tap Add New Wallpaper, which presents system options and your photos. This gets you into the exact menu, where you control lock screen appearance and behavior. Now you choose the wallpaper type, a still photo, live photo, or dynamic option like weather, because each affects motion and battery differently. You'll crop and position the image, toggle perspective zoom if you want parallax motion, and add or edit lock screen widgets for glanceable info. Make deliberate font and clock size changes so time remains legible against your image. Once satisfied, save variants. You can create multiple lock screens and swipe between them. Tap Done to commit the chosen screensaver. Finish by assigning the wallpaper to the lock screen, home screen, or both. You'll tap Set as to confirm and then test by locking and waking the device. If you want automatic changes, link lock screens to focus modes or schedule them for times and locations, which saves manual switching. If the wallpaper fails to apply, restart your iPhone, verify iOS is up to date, and ensure the photo file isn't corrupted or in unsupported format. These steps resolve most issues swiftly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.